You better trust it. Don't. All right, let's go. This is the best one.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video, I was thinking about what video should I do next, and I came up with a thought of showing you guys red lipsticks, because red lipstick are my favorite for like a long time. So I know that you cannot just go to the store and buy any red lipstick and wear it and it's gonna look bomb, because there's different tones, there's different colors, there's different complexion. It's just a whole journey in there. So I have my favorites that I've already picked. I went through the trouble of deciding which one looks good on me and not. So I came up with my top 5. I think it's 5, like
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
My top 5 red lipstick and my 2 red lip liners that I use. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys all 5 of them and how they look like and the price range. So without further ado, let's get to it. So first of all, I have a Vaseline right here because you know my lips about to go crazy. So I'm gonna use Vaseline. I'm gonna need I need something to take it off. Okay. So I'm gonna start with my cheaper ones, and then I'm gonna go ahead and use the expensive one. I'm gonna go from the cheapest to the expensive ones. Okay. So the first one that I'm gonna use is the NYX. This is called NYX Liquid Suede. It's in the color LSCL 11 and it's super red. I bought this NYX lipstick cost around $9. It's not going to be more than that. And also the NYX have a lip liner that goes with it too. Super red. This is the name of this one is SPL 817. And it's called Hot Red, so you know it's super red. Rouge flamboyant in French. So yeah, so I'm gonna start by using that. My production from the production team. Thank you, production team. I just want to take up a little bit of oil up, and there you go. So I'm gonna first start by using the lip liner. When it's lined, you're gonna take your lipstick. This is the NYX one. It's gorge. I love it. It's like one of my favorite. Oh my goodness. That's why I have it. There. You have to let it dry to see the perfectness of it, because it is matte. So after a couple of minutes it has to dry. When it dries, it looks really beautiful, but just like that you have to wait, if you like the oiliness of it. Like I don't know, I like oily and I like matte too. It's only $9, and if you want a red lipstick for a special occasion, you know what I'm saying, prom is coming up, everything, red lipstick is it's sexy. Every girl needs a red lipstick in their makeup bag, because that's just it's stable. Alright, so next lipstick, we're done with this one. Drop it on the floor. I'm gonna take off this off my lips using my Vaseline. I'm gonna take it really completely off because I don't want no cheating. I don't want to help the next lipstick look cute because of this one. No, everybody gonna shine on their own. So now my lips is back. I'm feeling mad abused right now. My lips is freaking like, relax. You're gonna have to drop me a Kleenex in a few minutes. Okay. Thank you. Okay, so we're done with the first one, and we're still in a cheaper end. And the next lipstick that I like is from Milani. I love this name. Just the name is super cute. Milani. I should call you my child out. Milani. Anyways, I love this one too. It's red. The name of this one is Best Red. And this one is also cheap too. It's probably around 10 to 13 bucks. Nothing too crazy. So I'm gonna use that and show you guys how it looks like. And I'm gonna use the NYX lip liner with it. I don't know if I mentioned, but this one is also in a cheap end. It's probably around 9 bucks. So I'm gonna use that, and I'm gonna put the Milani on top of it. So yeah, here's the thing. Woo, I've been using it, so it's kind of dirty. I'm just gonna wipe it off a little bit. Okay, so there you go. I'm just gonna apply this. Looking at my mirror. Guys, I noticed on the side of my lips there's still a little bit of Vaseline. It's okay. I'm sorry for that. So yeah, that was my second cheaper and red lipstick. I'm done with that, and it looks really pretty. So I'm gonna go to the next one. Like I said, it's my top 5, and this is the second one, and I have 3 left. So I have one that's middle price, and I have 2 other that's expensive. But it's not like crazy expensive, but for like a person that doesn't buy makeup all the time, it's probably a penny. You decide. It's your pocket, you decide. So I'm just gonna take this one off. Alright, that's off. More Vaseline. Vaseline saves lives, man. Next one is like middle, not cheap, not low price. I'm not gonna say cheap, because cheap gives it a bad thing. Like cheap always sounds like it's not cute. It's just low priced. Okay, there's a lot of stuff that are low priced that's better than some of the things that are more high priced. So this is from NARS. It's not a lipstick or a liquid lipstick that I just showed you. This is more of it's a pencil lipstick. It's red. The name of this one is Cruella. Damn, it's really cruel. So yeah, it's red, and this is how it looks like. And this one is middle price, because I don't remember the price exactly, but I know it's not over 20. So that's why I'm gonna show you guys this one. And I don't know if I want to put a lip liner on this one, because I don't want to use a lip liner. I just want to show you guys how it is on its own. I love this one. I think it's one of my favorites. Maybe it looks the same. They all look the same, but that's the point. Different price, same result. So this is NARS, and yeah, it's nice. It's cheaper, middle cheaper. NARS always have nice things. Good. So there you go, red lipstick from NARS. Name Cruella. Yo, bruh, I think this is so nice. Is it just me? Damn. Okay. Well, next, I'm gonna take this off. Oh, shit. I'm trying my best not to be dirty right here because I don't want to look crazy. Okay, we did that. I don't know if my lips looks crazy right now, but this is my third lip change in like 25 minutes. So I know my lips are telling me like this. Whoa, I swear a lot. Sorry guys. This is gonna be bleeped out. My lips is looking at me telling me, what are you doing? But so next we have the two more high-end, more expensive brand. But you know what they say, Queen equal quality. It's true. If you want something popping, gotta spend some Queen. Okay, I'm saying? You feel me? Alright, you feel me. Anyway, so I'm gonna show you guys MAC. This is my favorite red lipstick I've ever used in my life. This was my first, not my first, because I didn't have that money like that when I was young. But this is the lipstick that I used that was really expensive, and I loved it. At first I used it on my lips and I was like, wow, it's perfect. I'm pretty sure a lot of people know about this lipstick because MAC doesn't disappoint when it comes to stuff. So this is Ruby Woo. Okay, Ruby Woo is, there's nothing you can say about Ruby Woo but fleeky, perfect, clean, sexy, red, fierce, woman, high heels. I'm done. Anyways, but I also have a lip liner of Ruby Woo, but like I said, this is more high-end, so it's like 25 bucks, you know, plus tax. 25 bucks, you get that. Like I did with the other one, like the next one, I'm going to line my lips with the lip liner, and then I'm gonna put a lipstick on after. Okay, there you go. Lip going in. Oh, you see. This lipstick does not need any introduction. You know what I'm saying? It's like fly on its own. Look at me. Look at me, look at me, look at me. Anyways, so yeah. MAC Ruby Woo. This is what, how many lipsticks have I used already? Okay, this is my fourth. I heard that red lipstick make your teeth whiter. Is this true? Anyways, but yeah, this is my fourth, and it's my high-end one, and it's pretty. It's super pretty. I just want to end the video now and just go about my life because I'm feeling cute. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Anyway, so that's the one, and we're done with that one, and we have the last one. Anyways, I'm gonna take this off. And it's kind of like a look too. If you want to make your lipstick that was matte a little more shiny. Hello, it looks shinier. It's cute though. I swear to God, my lips are really, really inflamed. Last but not least, my last lipstick. This is Riri Fenty Beauty. And this is the bombdiggity.com. Okay, girl, this is expensive. Like I said, money, queen, quality. So if you want this one, you're gonna have to spend a little money, but you're gonna get your money's worth because this is really the bombdiggity.com. And this lipstick is called Uncensored. You know, Rihanna is quite wild. I love Riri. She's my favorite girl. And yeah, it's really amazing. Even the package is cute. Do you see this? Anyway, so I'm gonna use this, and I don't want to use a lip liner with this one. I'm just gonna use it on its own, show you guys. This one is super pigmented. There's a lot of pigment on it, so you have to be careful when you put it. You're gonna end up putting too much, so I don't like using it just like crazily like that. So like, this is the more expensive. Like I said, it's 35 bucks, right? I think it's 35 bucks. I don't remember, but it's around 30 and up. Okay, so we have this thing here. That's the little applicator. And then you just use that. I already moisturize my lips with a little Vaseline, like you see. So there we go. I'm gonna look in my mirror though. It's like, woo, god damn. It's like, woo, god damn. With this one though, I like it to dry. So the best result is when it's dry. So my top 5s, they look similar and they give you the same result, and you still don't have to break your bank. But if you feel like breaking the bank, because me, I will break my bank for Riri all day. And I love MAC too. But anyways, that's it. My top 5 red lipsticks. Red lipsticks are really a girl's best friend. So thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you guys for coming back to my channel, and I appreciate everyone. Like, subscribe to my video, come back, and you can also do the notification if you want, because sometimes I will post a video and you will know when I posted a video. So click on that as well. And I have a lot more videos coming up. Summer's coming up. I'm gonna talk more makeup too, because you know what I'm saying, summer's coming up. We like to do a makeup glow, beach, go out. There's a lot more things going on in the summertime than it is wintertime. So I'm gonna be posting a lot more on this summer 18. So thank you guys. Have a beautiful time in the summer life. Enjoy your life, stay positive, and subscribe to my channel. Like I say, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Hold on, this is my 2-pack shirt though. I was like, you couldn't see when I was sitting down, but pack life, I love it. Thank you. Bye. Beats.